Alright, I had to make a video on this. Unfortunately, I couldn't find where they had their source of their condenser, so I couldn't make the video at the time. I had my gauges up here, but I did get it. It's 59 degrees outside, and let's see if I could pull back up my snapshot. So I took a snapshot of what my readings were. So outside temperature is 59 degrees. Take a look at this head pressure. This is one of those ones that the fin spacing is about 12 to 14 fins per inch. Let's see if I could zoom in there. Come on, zoom in. Come on, focus. It's so far hell back there. Well, this will only be for you experienced guys, but look at that freaking wide fin spacing. So for 1 inch, you count somewhere between 12, I think it's about 14 fins per inch. Okay, here's my snapshot. That's where you at, right there. And see, outside temperature is 59. Oh, where's my pressure? Come on, guy. Air side, refrigerant side. There we go. Okay, so it's cycling between 173 and 207 psi, constantly up there, with this phase at 59 degrees. This vehicle at 59 degrees should never be hitting no 207 psi on the high side. The fan had to be constantly on high and cycling up and down to control the head pressure. This is one of the shittiest radiators for a direct replacement, because the direct replacement had like 18 fins per inch. This has 14. Definitely a huge difference. Same for the tubing count for refrigerant passages. So this is definitely one of the radiators to avoid for the Subaru. Definitely not suitable for especially such a nice new vehicle. So alright guys, that's it. I just had to make this one because in the cold dead of winter, this thing can exceed 200 psi on the head pressure because of a very poor quality condenser. Congratulations, you get the shit product of the year award.